Hello, in this video I will show you how to turn on the shop and pay feature in Uber Eats. Now it's an extremely easy process. So for doing this, what you have to do is just simply go to your Uber Eats website or mobile application, and then right over here in this menu section you will be able to see a preference tab. Just simply click on that tab, and then you should be able to see an option called tap filter, and under tap filter you will have the option of shop and pay order. And in front of that you will have a toggle option. Just simply enable that and you will be able to enable the shop and pay feature. Now, in order to actually do this process, you will need to first have a Plus card. So you can just simply go to this particular website over here and then just simply issue a Plus card for yourself, because only then you will be able to use this feature. All you have to do is just simply come over here and then scroll down, and right over here you will have the option of sign up. So over here what you have to do is just simply click over here. And then just simply complete your details right over here and then add your phone number and verify it. And OTP will be sent over here, so just simply keep that in mind. Then once you have entered your OTP, just simply click on update and your phone number will be verified. Once that is completed, you can activate your Plus card, and after that you can use the shop and pay features. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.